અને હવે નજર કરવાનો સમય થઈ ગયો છે નવા આઈપીઓ ઉપર. IGI એટલે કે ઇન્ટરનેશનલ જેમોલોજીકલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા, આ કંપનીનું લગભગ 4,000 કરોડ રૂપિયાની ઉપરનો આઈપીઓ ખુલવાનો છે. અને ખાસ આપણી સાથે સ્ટુડિયોમાં એમના સિનિયર મેનેજમેન્ટ જોડાઈ રહ્યા છે, MD and CEO પ્રિન્ટર સાહેબ અને તેમના ग्रुपना CFO ईश्वर अय्यर. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका CNBC बाजार के स्टूडियोज़ में. हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए, समय निकालने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. प्रिंटर साहब, आपसे सबसे पहला सवाल, एक डायमंड इंडस्ट्री का परसेप्शन हो गया है कि लैब ग्रोन डायमंड्स के आने के चक्कर में पूरा इंडस्ट्री स्लो डाउन हो रहा है. ऑब्वियसली आप हर टाइप के स्टोन्स जो हैं वो ग्रेड करते हैं, उनका सर्टिफिकेशन करते हैं. कुछ IGI के बारे में बताइए और करंट मार्केट कंडीशंस के बारे में बताइए.
Okay. First and foremost, IGI is the first gemmological laboratory to have been getting listed in the world. Okay, so that's a big benchmark. With the advent of lab growns, the market has actually buoyed up.
Okay.
You know, at IGI, we grade diamonds, and today it's become very important to give you the origin, whether it is earth mined or man-made. Okay, and we do that. આજની તારીખમાં natural diamond a little slow down, and lab grown is giving the impetus to take it up.
Okay.
You know, it's the new kid on the block. I mean, નવી વસ્તુ છે. And IGI is on the forefront with 65% of the global market share of certified lab growns. We're saying lab grown is more affordable.
Correct.
You know, and natural, of course, is very unique and expensive. You know, so જે consumers છે તેની સંખ્યા બરાબર તેની સંખ્યા increase થાય છે. Okay, these are all new consumers, all the Z generation, the millennials, you know, they see that there is no difference between the two diamonds.
Correct.
ને પછી એ લોકોની જ્યારે તાકાત હોય natural buy કરશે.
Okay.
You understand? So the overall, it's a complementary to each other diamond.
Correct. અને બિઝનેસની વાત કરીએ તો સાહેબ, કઈ રીતે યુ સી લેબ ગ્રોન ડાયમંડ વર્સિસ ધ નેચરલ ડાયમંડ્સ? હાઉ ઇઝ ધ પ્રાઇસિંગ ડિફરન્ટ? મતલબ જે પ્રાઇસિંગ હોય છે ટેસ્ટિંગનું એ ડિફરન્ટ હોય છે કે ઓલમોસ્ટ સિમિલર ટર્મ્સ પર હોય છે?
થોડું ડિફરન્ટ છે, બટ લેબ ગ્રોન ઇઝ મોર વોલ્યુમ.
Okay.
And natural, of course, is unique and rare. You know, so naturally numbers is less, lab grown no volume expanding. You know, and the consumer base is expanding. So, you know, more and more lab growns, both demand છે as such.
Right.
You know, અમને બધી demand US માં છે.
Okay.
You know, પછી ઇન્ડિયા બી આવશે.
Okay. Talking about IGI, કારણ કે તમે એક મોટો ઇશ્યુ લાવી રહ્યા છો, ઓલમોસ્ટ $500 million. 4,000 કરોડની ઉપરનો ઇશ્યુ છે, જેમાંથી ફ્રેશ ઇશ્યુ લગભગ 1,500 કરોડ છે, 1,475 to be precise. How do you use these funds?
અચ્છા, I'll let Ishwar handle that.
So the way the IGI group is structured today, we have IGI India, IGI Netherlands and IGI Belgium.
Correct.
All of these are held by Blackstone, 100% held by Blackstone. What we are proposing to do is to merge both the Netherlands and the Belgium entities under India, so that the listed entity here in India becomes the holding company for the group.
Correct.
So what we are planning to do is, with the inflow of the primary issue that comes into the company, we will therefore acquire both the entities in Belgium and Netherlands, so that India becomes the holding company for the group.
Okay. So are you taking any debt for the acquisition?
No, we are not taking any debt. We are a debt-free organization. We have pretty strong cash flows. The only purpose of getting this money in is to make this acquisition without getting into a debt scenario there.
Okay. Because your company is unique, sir. International exposure ની વાત કરીએ. Post this acquisition, how do you see business shaping up? Because you know, nobody really tracks the business. It's something unique. થોડુંક અલગ કરી રહ્યા છો. So how after the acquisition the company will look like? Meaning in terms of domestic India revenue કેટલા હશે? Foreign થી કેટલો ધંધો આવશે?
Okay. આજની તારીખમાં છે જે મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગમાં છે, we are very well entrenched. I've been with IGI for the last 25 years. And we have grown the industry together to the global levels. Now we are going to merge the retail sector. Manufacturing થાય છે અહીંયા બધું. Retail માં બી now we will push in the retail sector, especially in the US. US is over 50% of the diamond market. So globally we will unite retail to manufacturing.
Okay.
So, and that will only scale up in due course of time.
Okay. You also have training institution, training schools
Yes.
છે તમારી. Is it a significant part of your revenue, or can it become the significant part of your revenue, or your target is to just get talent into the IGI pool? How does it work?
Education, IGL School of Gemmology is the most significant part of the organization.
Okay.
પહેલે આપણે જાણકારી આપવી જોઈએ, પછી certification થાય.
Got it.
Okay, certification is the money spinner.
Right. Right.
But education is a precursor to certification. Without jankari,
Nobody can do.
nobody can do that. Okay, so education is extremely important, and we have been educating the entire industry on with different courses. Rough diamond course, color stone course, natural diamond course, polish course, lab grown courses, design courses also.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
so we have the whole spectrum of courses which gives transparency to the consumer. આજે છે ને opacity છે.
Okay.
તમને જાસ્તી ને જાસ્તી જાણકારી આવે, awareness create થાય,
Correct.
તો certification is a byproduct.
Okay.
But it's the money spinner.
Okay. Okay. Ishwar, something for you. Tamara margins, like, you know, how do you see the overall margin picture, especially post the consolidation of the Belgium and the Turkish business? You know, how will the margins look like? And also talk about your dividend policy.
Okay. See, the document which is now in public space, we have information about the India business as well as the total group business.
Right.
So at the group level, our EBITDA margins around 56%.
Okay.
It's up by around 0.8%. It was 55.2 same time last year.
Okay.
So because of the strength of manufacturing that Tema just mentioned and the growth in lab grown, we are seeing significant improvements in the margins itself.
Okay.
Okay. So from a post restructuring standpoint, around 55-56% is what the current margins are, and we expect the momentum to continue in the future as well.
Okay, so you'll maintain the margins.
be
And
able
how
to
do you see your dividend payout? Because you yourself, post this acquisition, will not require any cash. So whatever cash you generate, what would be the dividend policy?
Yeah, again, so we just got an independent board, etc., into the organization as
Right.
part of the preparation for the IPO.
Right.
Dividend policies, etc., are in discussion.
Okay.
And in due course of time, we'll have a proper framework around what should be our dividend policies, etc. But again, since we are generating free cash flows significantly, I think a dividend will be a huge component of the way we pay back our investors.
Great, gentlemen, and thank you so much for speaking to CNBC Bajar. All the best for your IPO.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.